Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will take a look at the quick access toolbar. In the last video, we looked at the ribbon and how we can customize the ribbon to save time and be more efficient. This toolbar is going to make you even more efficient by saving more time. The quick access toolbar is located at the top left-hand corner. And by default, when you install Excel, you have three options in the quick access toolbar. One is to save. You see the save icon. We have used this in the past to save document, and the next two are undo and redo. And there's nothing to undo and redo, and that's the reason why both of them are inactive. Let's say, for example, let me show you that. Let's say, I have 4% here. Let's say I made it 40. So I want to revert this back. I can do undo. So it went back to 4, but you can also do redo to revert to 40. So that's how you use these two. And say, you want to customize this toolbar. Now, how do we do that? There's a little thing here which says, customize quick access toolbar at the very end. Click on it and let me just add a couple more options to this quick access toolbar. I'll say new, open. So in order to open something, you don't have to do Control O. Definitely the keyboard shortcuts will save you time, but you can also use your mouse and click here and directly go to open. And the other one that we added was new. Control N would open a new document. I just hit Control N, or you can do directly click on that and you get a new document. Now that's just two options, but say you want to add more to your quick access toolbar. One of the easiest ways is, while you're working with your ribbon, as you work with your Excel workbooks, and let's say you want to get to a certain option quickly. Say, for example, let's say from insert, you want to quickly add a picture. Just right click on it, say add to quick access toolbar, and that goes there. And let's say you want to create a table. So now you have to here. Now it doesn't matter on which tab you are, but you still have access to your quick access toolbar. So it doesn't matter where you are, you click on it, you have an option. You can directly access the shortcut that you added to the quick access toolbar. Next, in addition to adding options to the quick access toolbar, there's one other option. Use this customize quick access toolbar and then go to more commands. Then from here, this is the same options screen that we have looked at while working with ribbon. So you can see your customized ribbon. So on the quick access toolbar, you have access to all the commands that are a part of Excel. You can browse based on the category and pick the desired one and add to your quick access toolbar. Say, for example, I want to pick create chat, add, and now you see this little icon here which you can use to create a chart quickly. So well, that's it about the quick access toolbar. Experiment with it, spend some time, and learn it. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.